Hi, my name is Bethany Newman, and I chose Screencast-O-Matic.com. The reason I chose it is because you can do what I'm doing, which is showing your screen and yourself, or if I wanted to change the settings, which I'm just realizing I can't do when recording, I could just do the screen, or I could just do me. So this is the first time I'm using an online recording device. I normally, when I've done flip type things, or I've done this for sub plans before, I use my document camera for doing sort of a lesson on here, and that way I can have my slides printed off and put it under my document camera, and my students can see me and their recording as well. I like this Screencast-O-Matic because I can have my screen, so if I were to start moving things around, so let me bring this down, you can actually see what I'm doing on here, because I used Google Slides quite often, so kids could then are able to see, let's say, my site. So if I'm going to my class website and they need to see something, you can see everything that I'm doing here, and I can go exactly where they need to go. Or I don't teach math, but I could definitely see how if this was a math class, they could have they could be working out the problems while also seeing themselves, so it makes a personal connection while teaching your students from a flipped version. So this is a really cool way to do it. I like this. I'm going to have to see what else this offers, because I know that there's multiple things on the website that they were talking about. But I like that you have the personal connection by seeing me, and you can also see what I'm doing on my screen. So I definitely like this better than what I have been doing with my document camera.